Hi, and welcome back to part 2. My name is Sam of colormyincome.com. We were looking earlier at setting up the WordPress website using the one-in-one click and build option. Now, we last left you on this screen where it says it is installing, and it is now installed. It's taken about not more than 5 minutes to get this done. And I have now the settings for this website all here. What I would advise you to do is just select, highlight, click and drag across, copy this, and put them in a document and save them somewhere safe in your computer. Now, these are the settings that you are required if you need to go back into your database and look at where the actual data is. But we won't go into the details now. What I need you to do is just to click on the admin URL. This will be your admin URL for your website. And when you do that, it's going to open up a new page. And this is where you put in the password that we set earlier as an administrator. So your username, administrator's username and password that we set when we were starting out with the one-in-one click and build, and click on login. It will take you immediately to the back end of the website. And this is what it looks like. There are already a couple of updates that you need to apply, given that this is version 3.8 and it's been around for a couple of weeks. But not a problem, quick and easy. This here is your dashboard. This here is your website. So I'm going to click on that and have a quick look at our website now. So here we are. Pretty standard. You've got a post that says "Hello World" by Mr. WordPress, and some of the widgets here on the left. We'll talk about widgets in later episodes. But appearance is where you find themes. To go back to the dashboard is where the exciting. So this is what the public would see. You would get this is what the option of installing more features and functionalities to your site. Now, just to get you started, we will go into the install plugin. Now, one-in-one click and build has pre-installed a fixed set of number of plugins, and this is just amazing. This is just exactly what you need. You don't want to be faffing about looking for plugins. If you want somebody to have prepared for you all these plugins that you might not need, we'll go through them and decide and then take them out if we need to. But hey, it makes your job so much easier. All you've got to do then is to activate them. But if you need more, just click Add, New, and look for the ones you need. This is one typical plugin that I use, Google Analyticator. And there you are. Click Install and say OK. And that will install the plugin for you. So the free mode is, it's amazing. Using the free mode and using the one-in-one click and build, I have managed to set up my website with a bunch of plugins that I might use, I might not use all of them. I've certainly use some of them because they are the ones that I'm familiar with, such as Google XML sitemap, Google Translate if I'm doing an international site. Jetpack, hey, Jetpack by WordPress is another powerful plugin that I would use and recommend. WordPress Importer if you have to import from another site, and WP Touch mobile plugin, which I've also personally have experience with, but more about that in a different episode. So all in all, a very quick and painless experience in setting up your own website based on WordPress. Now all you've got to do is to go back and look at how you want it to look in terms of the theme and what plugins that you may decide to use, and start populating the pages and start blogging on your site. So I hope you enjoyed this this final part where setting up your website using the one-in-one click and build is concerned, and I hope to see you soon.